In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply a Rosemary font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display. Then scroll again, choose Font Size and Style, and when you're ready, select Font Style. Now tap on Download Fonts. Click on this icon here next to Rosemary One to download it, or tap on it and hit Install button. Wherever you decided, when it's ready, go back to Settings, and to apply it, click on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!